How to half swipe on Snapchat with the new update. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually half swipe on Snapchat. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now, half swipe basically means that you actually swipe the Snapchat chat to the half of the screen until you actually see the message and not letting the other person know that you have actually read their message. So in this video we are simply going to learn that, so make sure to watch this video till the end. First things first, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's respective app stores. In the search box, you can type in Snapchat and then check whether the Snapchat has an update available or not. If it does have an update available, go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Snapchat, I'm going to simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now, first things first, what we can do is from the bottom left hand side, we're going to go to the chat screen, and as you can see at the top of the screen, let's say I have received a student chat. I want to actually view the chat, but then I don't want the other person to know that I have actually viewed that chat. So how do we half swipe and then see the chat? Now, you want to understand that if you actually swipe by tapping on their name, it is actually just going to open the map right over here. But then there is a simple fix to this on how you could actually half swipe to see the messages. The thing is that you don't want to tap on their name right over here. You want to quickly tap on the profile picture of the chat you want to actually view. Once you tap on the profile picture, you want to simply swipe your fingers towards the right side. So see, let me simply show you this first one right over here. I'm going to quickly tap on this profile picture and then swipe towards the right, and then you can almost see the messages right over here. As you can see, it will actually show you the messages. You can actually swipe it to the point where you actually can see the message. But then what you don't want to do is, as you tap to see the message, you don't want to leave your fingers, because it is going to do this, and then it is actually going to notify the other person that you have viewed the message. This is only a simple way. Let me repeat the process for others. If I simply tap on it and then actually release the fingers, if you release the fingers, it is going to let the other person know you have actually viewed their chat. So you want to make sure you are very aware of that as well. The trick is to simply quickly tap on the profile picture and then swipe right until you see the messages, and then don't release your fingers, swipe it back to its original position. And that way you'd actually be able to half swipe on Snapchat with the new update and read the messages without actually letting the other person know that you have actually read their message. As you can see at the top, I have actually read the message, but still it says new chat. That is because I haven't opened the tab fully yet. If I actually open the tab fully and then come back right over here, it actually shows that I have read the messages, and as you can see, there is a received notification. This was the way on how you could very easily half swipe on Snapchat with the new update. We hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.